We're gonna make some green eggs and ham. So the first thing I'm gonna do is place my eggs in here. These eggs up about an inch over the top. One more of these. I'm gonna bring them to a boil. Now that they're boiling, I'm gonna take it off the heat. I'm gonna cover it for about 15 minutes. Make the ice bath to the eggs. Place them in the ice bath. Sit there for, I don't know, 15 minutes or so. These are ready to peel now. All right, now it's nice and cold. I just kind of pop it and roll it. Pretty gentle though. These eggs here in this jar here with some green food coloring. There's some water in there. Just put a couple of these in there. I'll do 3. Let them sit for a little bit until the other stuff's ready. Make some deviled eggs. Eggs in half. Pull the yolks out. Pull the yolks out and put them in this bowl here because I'm going to mix them up. Save this. Mix in some mayo and mustard, about equal parts. And then I don't have any paprika. I'm all out, so I'll go ahead and mix that in. I'm running out of mayo. I don't need too much anyway. Some mustard. I said equal parts, but really not equal parts. You don't want as much mustard as mayo. And stir that in. That's good. All right, that's done. Now I need to get my food coloring. Tiniest amount just to start with, and then just enough to turn it green. Just like a drop to start with, a drop or 2. All right, there we go. I'm just gonna go ahead and start filling these things. Go ahead and let these sit in the fridge for a little bit. All right, I did go ahead and finish these babies out. I'm gonna go ahead and let these sit in the fridge for a little while. These are coming along good. Now for the ham. Warm some of it up in here in the air fryer. Green eggs out of here now. Chilled. Alright, this is something really good to get the kids with. I used to make my kids Martian Oatmeal, and I'd mix a little bit of green food coloring in there and let them think Martian made it. Make it before they got up. The ham's on the perfect. Right out of there. So we have the green eggs and ham. Merry Christmas. Time to eat.